All right, straight up BMW. Welcome back to an N55 block prep. We are prepping this block for rebuild. As part of that, block's been disassembled, cleaned. We haven't blasted or painted it. We'll keep it in its natural aluminum casting. It cleaned up pretty good. You guys can see here. The block cleaned up pretty good. So I don't think we need to do anything more to this block. We've already honed the bores. You guys can see these bores look pretty good. I mean, in my opinion, they're impeccable. They look great. If you guys can see these bores look awesome. Nice cross hatching, no scoring, no marks, no lines. So these have been honed to achieve the required surface roughness. So let's go ahead and measure those now, okay? Reminder, if you guys have seen any one of my other videos for block builds, the importance of the peaks. You want to have a high enough peaks so when you put your new pistons rings and you break in the engine with braking oil, you want to be able to wear that ring against the peaks of the cylinder board. Remember, this is aluminum with a steel liner, so you want to have high enough peaks that you can wear that rings in so you can have a good sealing and to minimize oil consumption. You want to have a deep enough valley so when the oil sprays into the bore, it drops into those valley and it's retained for lubrication when the rings come to lubricate the rings. Okay.